Hi there, my name is Jenny McGarvey and I wanted to share with you today the DIY sticker book that I am storing my Happy Planner stickers in. Now let's talk about the types of stickers that I am talking about. So I am talking about your value pack sticker books like this one or something like this. So you have a sticker book. It has a lot of beautiful stickers in it, but maybe you're outgrowing the space that you have for your stickers, or maybe you're not having a lot of luck at finding the sticker that you need in a setup like this one. That's where my DIY sticker book came in for me. I was running out of space to store my stickers in the area that I wanted to store them in. Of course, I could have found a bigger area, but I didn't want to do that. So enter in my DIY sticker book. Now let's take a look at my DIY sticker book. I am using covers, front and back, from a teacher Happy Planner. This is a big Happy Planner. So I have them on backwards. You can see that here was the back cover and here was the front cover. So it's the perfect size, and I am using an assortment of rainbow colored discs for this as well. Now you can see here, I am separating my stickers by color. So each sheet, they stick pretty consistently to a color palette, if you will. So I have orange stickers together, I have yellow stickers together, green, you get the picture. Now you come to the back, or a little bit further in the book, I should say. So pink, for example, there's a lot of pink stickers in the Happy Planner sticker books. And you get through the pink ones, you get the black ones, and then you also move into multicolor stickers. These are stickers that I could not place in a specific color. So for example, this sticker, there are 6-7 different color stickers included. I couldn't make one. So I've included those in what I consider a multicolor section. So perhaps I'll go through and I'll say, you know what? I want this fantastic sticker to sort of be the base for my entire week. So I'll take this one and then go and focus on the singular colors. So we have many pages of multicolor sticker books because that is how the Happy Planner has a lot of stickers that are multicolor. But then I also have stickers that are, you can see the gold foil stickers. And then I've also included, like this one, it's a little bit more rose gold or copper. I've included that as well because it's still just a metallic sticker. I have the grays and the silvers together, and I really actually consider this to be more of a neutral, so I also include wood grain, things like that. I have a floral sticker for mismatched florals that all just go together. And then I also have a seasonal section. So for example, I have the Christmas stickers together. I have the spring stickers, the summer stickers. This is how my brain thinks about organizing stickers, okay? So really what's important is think about, how do you plan? I mostly plan by color, but a very, very specific sticker that says happy birthday, well, that requires a special section, if you will. So a whole section of celebration stickers, a whole section of New Year's Eve or vacation, Easter. You get the picture. Very, very specific. Okay, Halloween. So that's where we're at. I also have a section of icon stickers as well. Because again, I could put this with the purple stickers, that would work. But however, I'm probably looking for a reading sticker with this one. It's very, very specific. Same thing with dentist. I could put this in a green section, but I don't think that I would be looking for a green sticker that says dentist. I think I'd just be looking for a sticker that says dentist. But again, it's very important to think about the way that you plan and the way that you look for stickers. So now we know about how I categorize my stickers. We know about the covers and we know about the discs. Now let's talk about these sheets. These are sheets of sticker paper that I purchased on Amazon. So let me show you. I purchased, these are 8.5 by 11 sheets of sticker paper. And I simply used my Happy Planner punch and punched the holes and then I'm placing it on discs. This really allows me to be able to move my sticker sheets around in my sticker book. So for example, let's take a look at, okay, so we have another Christmas sheet. You know what, actually, let's leave this Christmas one here. Let's go and get these other Christmas sticker sheets. So I decide, oh gosh, what was I thinking? These stickers need to go with the other stickers. So I'm gonna take these out and I'm going to move them back by these other Christmas stickers, wherever they may be. All right, I lied. I'm just gonna put it right back here. But that's what that allows me, that I can add a new sheet. Say that my sheet of blues are all full and I wanna add another sheet to my blue. So I simply can take a sheet out of the package of sticker sheets that I purchased, punch them, and add them to the discs. It makes this very, very simple. If I change the way that I want to organize it, say I want to add the seasonal stickers to the front, I can do that. I'm not locked in to removing each sticker from the sheet. I will link up the sticker paper that I purchased down below. I am going to link the 8.5 by 11, and they also sell smaller sticker sheets, but this one is the best for me based on not having to cut the sheets up because they fit perfectly in the big Happy Planner format. Now, let's talk about, I don't use any dividers. It's not important to me. I have a general idea how they are because I went in Roy G. Biv order. But if you wanted to divide them up, you could use dividers. You can see this is a Happy Planner divider, and this is one from an extension pack. So it is undated, so you can see right there, it doesn't say anything at all. So if I wanted to add this to my planner, or my sticker book, I'm sorry, I could go ahead and I could add it right here. And then I could write green, and I would know where all the green stickers were. You could also use something like these plastic dashboards that Happy Planner used to sell. I don't know if they still sell them or not, to be honest, probably not, but these old plastic dashboards, they're wonderful. They're super sturdy. You could use these to notate as well, and then on the tabs at the top, write the color or Christmas or Easter or whatever you were thinking. So now let me show you real quick how I break up the sticker books to put them in. So for example, I'll go through and I'll say, okay, here we go. Here are some stickers. These are all pink ones. So we'll go ahead and we'll add them to the pink section. That actually usually doesn't happen. There's usually not an entire sheet where they're the same color. Usually you have them that it is a multitude of various colors on each sheet. But so I would just simply remove this and add it to my sticker book. I'm not a perfectionist, so if you are, you'll obviously do a little bit better job of lining these up and making them straight, but that is just not a priority to me. It's not important. I intend to take these out to use them, so they won't be here forever anyway. Now, when you're finished, you do see that here there are a bunch of bullet point stickers. I don't typically save these. That would be difficult to do. There's just really no good way for that. You can, instead of buying this sticker paper, you could remove the skeleton from the sticker sheet. So you're just removing the outside of the sticker. You could punch this in your handy dandy planner punch and do the same thing. Now, why don't I do this? Let me tell you why I don't do this. I don't find that this sticker paper is quite as good as this sticker paper. It's not as sticky. The stickers don't stick to it quite as well. And so I do prefer this, and I do prefer having the full book size. I can really maximize it. But if you don't want to purchase these sheets, you could use the leftover sheets that you have from the sticker book. So that is my DIY Happy Planner sticker book that I am using right now to pull all of my stickers from to use in my planning. If you have any questions, please link them up below and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thank you so much and make it a great day.